All right, so we are live. We are going to be making a video. Unfortunately, the TV is a little bit delayed. We're going to make a video for this homework question. It says, suppose that the lifetimes of light bulbs are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 56 hours and a standard deviation of 3.3 hours. With this information, answer the following questions. So we know that the mean is 56. We know that the standard deviation was 3.3. For part A, what proportion of light bulbs lasts more than 62 hours? So I always like to start with a picture so we can visualize what it is that we're looking for. We're assuming it's normally distributed with a mean of 56. So 62 is going to be to the right. And since we're trying to shade more than, we're going to shade to the right of the number 62. In our calculator, again, since we know it's normally distributed, we want to pull up the normal distribution, hit second vars, number 2, normal CDF. The lower bound here is 62. The upper bound is infinity, or E99. The mean was 56, and the standard deviation was 3.3. Paste this into the normal distribution function, and we'll get an area of 0.0462. 602.